Okay, what do you see?
This
What is that?
apple.
That's a strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Yum.
Yum. Connor, can you say strawberries?
Strawberry.
Yeah. Pick up another one. Wait. Just go one at a time. Now this is a grape. Can you say grape?
Grape.
Good job. Wait for the strawberry to finish. Swallow the strawberry.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. That's a grape.
What?
That's a grape. Taste it first. What do you think of that?
This
Yeah, what do you think of it? Is it good? You say yummy?
yummy.
What is it?
Number Mama.
Can you say grape?
Grape.
Which one's a grape?
Apple.
Which one's a grape, honey?
This
What's that one? What's that? What's that one? Is that a grape? Say grape.
good.
Good job. Now chew it up.
No.
What's this one? What's that?
Apple.
No, it's a strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry.
Yeah.
That's
What's that one?
apple.
Say grape.
Grape.
Good job. Let mommy eat one. Yummy. Can you say yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Good.
Okay. Good job, honey. Take your time. You get to eat all that fruit. Take your time, honey.
Yum.
Yum. What's that?
Apple.
Connor, it's a strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Now, why are you holding on to that grape in the other hand? You don't want to eat it yet?
Huh?
That's a strawberry. What about your other hand? What's that?
Apple.
Grape.
I.
Say yummy. You need to chew. Chew and swallow.
No.
Mm-hmm. Okay, take your time. Now get something to drink. You can have the rest of it, but I need you to digest that first.
Oh
I know, but first take a sip.
no. The rose.
I know. First take a sip, though. Will you take a sip of your juice?
Uppies.
I will give you some more. Just take a sip. Good job.
Num.
Now, what do you say? More, please.
Moppies.
Good job.
Num.
Yum. What's that? Say grape.
Gip.
Grape. Good job. Are you going to eat it? You're going to put it in your mouth? You're going to give it to mommy? Thank you. Yum.
Strawberries.
Those are strawberries. Good job. Now, where's a grape? That's a strawberry. Which one is a grape? Yeah, good job. Can you say grape?
Good.
Good job.
Zebra.
Grape. Yummy. Say yummy.
Turkey.
No, you need to chew what's in your mouth. Good job. Chew it up.
Doggy.
Yep, that's a doggy. Now chew it up before you swallow it.
Doggy.
Yeah, that's a doggy. Will you chew it up? Good job, Connor. Say bye-bye.
Baka baka baka.